Hi everyone, my name is Karina. Today we're going to be going over reasons why you should think about pursuing a career in being a medical office assistant. So, first of all, what even is a medical office assistant? You are a very vital member to the healthcare team. So, you are helping the office run smoothly, and without your help and support, that would not be able to happen. So, you are focusing more on administrative support. So let's get into the reasons why it's a great idea to be a medical office assistant. So first off, medical office assistants are in high demand. So as you know, with our aging population, medical office assistant roles and jobs are never going to stop because people are going to need to go to hospitals or clinics, doctor's appointments. So that's something that would never end, which means that being an office assistant will always be very important role in the healthcare system, and it will always be available to you. They also have jobs that are full-time and part-time work. The second thing would be that medical office assistants earn a good salary. You are probably earning possibly around $16 per hour, which is way above minimum wage, and certain places will obviously offer you more depending on what you can offer. The next thing is that medical office assistants can find work in many different locations. As I mentioned before, you can work in hospitals, clinics, doctor's offices, other practices, or other healthcare settings. And this is because medical office assistants are offering that administrative support and doing more work on the administrative side, which is always going to be needed in every healthcare setting. The next thing is that medical office assistants receive comprehensive training. So these medical office assistant programs, they often last between 6 to 12 weeks, and they give you time to learn all the skills that you need to know. So that will include training in medical billing and coding, a little bit of that, customer service, scheduling appointments, more information on how to read patient records and what you have to do with them. So there's a lot that you would need to learn in that course. So if you're looking to do a challenging yet rewarding career, medical office assistant is a great idea. Also, you're a very vital member to the healthcare team. You perform a lot of tasks that need to be done in the office, and without your help, there would not be any organization through the healthcare system or whatever healthcare setting that you are in. As I mentioned before, you are responsible for some other things would be maintaining patient records and also handling insurance paperwork as well. Also, you are the first point of contact for patients, so excellent customer service skills are needed as well, which you would practice and learn more in a training course. Also, while a high school diploma is typically all that's required to be a medical office assistant, some employers do prefer if candidates have extra training. So if you do have a medical office assistant certification, if you've got formal training, or if you have post-secondary education programs, then some employers would prefer that. But they do have a lot of on-the-job training as well to help you learn things such as how to work the system, which is specific to the healthcare office that you're in. So the job outlook, as I mentioned in the part where I was talking about demand, the job outlook is very, very positive. So according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, they project that the employment for medical office assistants is going to grow by 23% from 2016 to 2026. And that is way more than a lot of other occupations. And that is due to the aging population. So it's definitely a great career to consider. The next thing I would like to mention is that you can pursue further education and training. I kind of touched on this before, but there's a lot of opportunities that you could take to get other training. People do some like a few week program to improve your skill set, or even some people get a degree in medical office administration, which can definitely further your career. Another thing is that you can make a difference in people's lives, and I feel like this is a very important thing. If you are in the healthcare industry, you always are helping people, and it's a great feeling afterwards. So without your help, nothing would be able to run smoothly. So it's a very rewarding career choice as well, and it has a lot of potential. And One more thing that I would like to add is that you're always going to be learning in this job. And I think that's something that as we get older, that we forget that we need to keep on learning and keep our mind very active and very curious. So this is the perfect job for that. So overall, medical office assistant is a great career choice, and I hope these reasons helped you see why it's a great career choice and one that you could be very, very proud of pursuing as well.